Green nudges are small pushes of the behavior in the environmentally friendly direction, but they do not restrict the freedom of choice. So person still has the freedom to choose, but we just gently push them in the environmentally friendly direction.
The goal of the summer school was to develop interventions for the city of Ljubljana on how to improve the sustainability of behavior in the city. In the first days we had theoretical input from psychology on attitudes, habits, decision-making and what nudging means, to provide a basis before the students went out into the field and made their observations to find a situation or some specific behavior in the city that they would like to address with an intervention they designed in the last days.
In this summer school, students are working in groups, and each of the groups has a topic, and they need to find a specific situation in which to implement a nudge, and they then also test the idea.
I've never really thought about designing my own nudges or how to put my knowledge of the nudge into some practical experience, and this school really helped me elaborate on my previous knowledge and combine it with the knowledge I've gotten it here to create some meaningful insights.
I think the most fun thing during summer school was working together with other people and having the time and the opportunity to come up with creative ideas and then explore them and try to implement them and then research if they work or if they don't work. So basically the whole creative process.
It was fun, like working in teams is fun, and even more fun is like working in teams with people that you don't know, because then every formation of the team, everything has to happen quicker, and this is always like super fun.
Ljubljana was really beautiful, so the place where we were doing the project and also like the accommodation and food, it was really well thought through, and I could see that people really put effort into this. Then we were welcomed really nicely. All the professors said hi by their first name, which got like a nice family feeling, and it wasn't too strict or anything. And also there were like 25 people here, so I really got to meet a lot of new people and with different backgrounds, and it was really a good experience, so I would definitely recommend it.
I think the social capital you get from an event and education like this is the best thing, but like right next to that would be all the knowledge we got.
The topic green nudging is really important because of climate change and sustainability, and really doing something other than just demonstrating is really cool, like getting hands-on and being able to create something that might be used. It's really good experience.